What's something that people do to their necks slash backs that you wish they would stop?
Oh, first thing is cracking their neck. Like, do not crack and twist your neck. And I know it might temporarily feel good. It is not necessarily good for you. I remember growing up in high school, right? I'd be the one, on the desk, right? Like leaning back on your chair. I was that kid. I was that student doing that. I think forcing things that temporarily feel good but can be hurting you long term. That's the very first thing I think of. Weightlifting incorrectly, like poor form, poor posture. I think hurting themselves that way or stretching the wrong way.